Welcome to Liago Tipless Drywall Finishing. In the last video, we have done 2 coats of nail holes filling. So today, we are going to do the last coat of filling the nail holes. First, we prepare the walls for the coating. So, doing this. So now the wall is nice and smooth. It's ready to go for the last coat. So now we are going to prepare the mud. For the first 2 coats, we used the mud directly from the box. The main reason for using the mud directly from the box, because the mud is thick and it's easy to control for beginners. And for the last coat, we want to use the mud a little bit thinner. So put the mud in a 5-gallon pail, and then we add about half a liter, 500 milliliters of water in bucket. And mix it. Now the mud is ready, so take a look at the consistency. It's thinner and easier to work with. So we're doing the last coat of nail holes filling. First, I want to talk about how to hold the knife. So I think you better just go naturally. However you feel comfortable to hold the knife is okay. Second, just be patient. You know, Paris was not built in one day, so as Rome. For the taping job, you got to go slowly. It cannot be done by just 1 coat, and it cannot be done by just 1 day. So for money, when we did the 2nd coat, I wanted you to practice this technique, like this. Bring up and wipe it off. This is a very important technique for drywall finishing. But for beginners, I think we better go naturally. Like I said, however you feel comfortable, you just do it that way. So mainly there are, I think, 3 ways to do the nail hole filling. First, you can do it like this. Just go 1 by 1. Second, you can do something like this. Just go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then wipe it out. The third, the fast way is doing like this. So whatever way you feel comfortable, you just do it your way. For nail hole filling, what I want to say is, no matter how you do it, if you do it like this, that's fine, but you always make sure you wipe it a couple more times for this reason. Make sure there's no mud on the knife. Just go slowly and make sure you take excess mud off the wall. Otherwise, later on, you'll be having a hard time to sand it off. Okay, so this was done. By doing 3 coats of nail hole filling, you will have a better idea about the mud consistency, and you can practice about how to use your knife to control the mud. So after 3 coats of every nail holes, you'll be ready for the next step. The next step, we are going to do the corner bits for outside corners.